To begin, open the YouTube app on your phone. Now tap your profile picture located in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to access settings. Under the Accounts section, select Time Management. Scroll down to the bottom. Under the Daily Limits section, you will see Shorts Feed Limit. If you don't see it, make sure your YouTube app is updated to the latest version. Simply toggle the switch on next to it. Now set the amount of time you want to allow yourself to scroll shorts each day. Your changes have been saved. From now on, once your daily limit is reached, YouTube will notify you and block further scrolling of shorts for the day. This feature helps you manage screen time and prevent excessive scrolling on YouTube Shorts. So that's how you can set daily limits for YouTube Shorts.